Okay, Jason, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the back of your dial is a 4-7. The back of your case is a 4-9. So that's within 2 months, which is exactly correct. Okay, well that's your movement disassembled. We're going to go ahead and get things cleaned and be back for reassembly. Okay, Jason, we are out of the cleaner and ready to go back together. Things look great. Nothing to report. As expected, you know, this watch was in really good shape to begin with. So, yeah, time to just get going with the reconstruction. Okay, let's get started. Okay, well that is the movement constructed. Let's go ahead and check it on the time grapher and see how it's doing. Be right back. Okay, well this is a great place to start. Signal looks super clean, so that's really encouraging. We're gonna do some tuning here and make sure everything's working the way it should. Let the lubrication make its way around the movement, of course. These amplitude numbers will come up. And so we're gaining a bit of time, no beat error, but let's get this adjusted. All right, well, I'm pretty happy. I'm going to let this fully break in. The lubrication needs to find its space in the, in the right spots and just kind of work its way around, but it will get there, and I suspect we'll come back and have another look. But yeah, that's looking pretty good. Very nice. Clean, clean, clean. That's what we want. Okay, Jason, this makes me happy. I'll be back as we start to go in the next phase. Okay, that's the movement built out. Next is dial and hands, and we'll be back in the case. Okay, Jason, we are at the end here. We're gonna finish this process with your last part. Very good. All right. All right, there it is. Your lovely 7006, 7007 with that deep blue dial. It's such a stunning, stunning example. This is a really clean little watch, and now it is performing as well as it looks. So nothing of any surprise, of course. It was essentially I don't know if I'd call it a new old stock watch, but it's as close as you can get to that, I think. Really, really pretty. That blue dial is just so intoxicating. It's people like modern Rolexes with that that blue dial Datejust. That seems to be popular, but I would say that this is equally pretty. Now, I have kind of a surprise for you. I went through all my stuff and I actually found a correct bracelet and end links for this watch. You can let me know how you'd like to proceed with that. I can put it on so you can have a look, but this is actually the watch, the bracelet for this watch. In fact, I have the watch it came off. It was in my part supply. It's actually the identical watch to this. But it had its bracelet, and I'm more than happy to provide that to you. Okay, well, I wanted to show you what it looked like. I don't want to be presumptive, but you had asked about the bracelet, so that's it. You know, it doesn't quite match in terms of the quality of your finish, but it's not bad. You know, this was a worn bracelet, so you know it's got a little bit of some scratching here on the clasp, but it is the bracelet for this watch. So if you're really interested in it, we can talk about price and you know, see if it's going to be something you want. Okay, well, let's just go through the function. You had mentioned issues with setting date and time, but I'm not having any particular issue. It looked great. Everything was as it should be. Sets the day and the time just fine. And like we can do here, we can just, you know, get things advancing here easily. That's done with the hands, of course, on the day. On the date, it's one click out, and then we go forward that way. So, looks pretty good. Well, Jason, it's been fun. These are great. I don't get to work on these beautiful little jewels that often, and yours is a stunning example. If you really want the bracelet, you know, I think it sets it off. I think it's, you know, the right bracelet for the right watch. It's a great combination. Well, thanks again, and thanks for watching. I look forward to getting this back to you. All right. Thanks so much.